Hey guys, Quirky Cuber here. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the Qiyi Dino Cube. So let's first take a look at the box. It has the Max Volk thing that it has on every single Qiyi box, 4.745. That was broken a long time ago, but who cares? And here you have X Cube, Speed Cube. Let's just count how many times it has Speed Cube on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times. That's interesting. Nothing on the bottom. And it has black base and stickered 6+. And I actually think it's called the X Cube. Yeah. And so let's just open it up. Okay, sorry about the cut, but my sisters were being very obnoxiously loud there. And it has a really... And I'm just gonna open this up. Yeah, I forgot to tell you that this there's an instruction pamphlet, sorry, and I know it is pretty easy, so we're just gonna throw that aside. Anyways, we have the cube, and let's see how it turns. Okay, it's pretty smooth. And there's something, I don't know if it's a ball bearing mechanism or what, but it kind of like snaps into place. I know it isn't magnets, but it's too light to be ball bearings. So yeah, the turning is really nice and smooth. The shades, green I really like, orange I really like. One question that I do have about it is the blue internals. I don't know. And anyways, those blue internals are pretty much the same color as the actual blue on the puzzle. And red, I think, is nice and a little bit light. That's a really good shade of white. That is my favorite shade of white. So good job, Qiyi. And the yellow, I actually do think contrasts really well with the blue internals when you do that. But I don't really like yellow all around its colors. And yeah, so I'm just gonna start scrambling it. And yeah, it already has a little bit of lube in it. It's a little bit sandy though. But I'd say it's still smooth. So I'm just gonna scramble it up and yeah. So here's a time lapse of me trying to solve it. Okay, so I accidentally solved that like really fast. Not really fast, but 1 minute, and I didn't even look at a tutorial. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this is actually easier than what I heard about it. So do make sure it has the correct color scheme, since if you don't have the correct color scheme, there actually might be parity on this. That's only if you have the wrong color scheme. So if you know the color scheme on like a normal 3x3, then you're good. Put that in. Put that in. There. Oh no. Maybe I should just do this. Oh, come on. Yes, okay. So yeah, it's pretty easy. I don't need a tutorial. Oh my, it does slice moves. That's just weird. Okay, so actually, I'm gonna do an average of 5 on this, so wish me luck. here are my overall thoughts on the Dino Cube. There's just one thing that really bugs me. It can be solved into the wrong color scheme. That is one thing that I'm really bugged about. So technically, I don't know if I should consider this solved, but I will, since they're all colors on the same side. But it's still really frustrating. The blue internals, I think, are actually kind of nice. And it has a pretty smooth turn with a secret mechanism for snapping that I don't know of. And it's pretty easy, really. I mean, it's just solve a side, get all the edges in place, orientate the edges on top, and flip the edges on top to make it all the same color. Then you either have an H-perm or a PLL stick. That's how easy it is. And H-perm is intuitive, like crazy for this. So, should you get it? Yes, I think you should. Now, the only thing that it's just, I mean, luckily Dino Cube's non-WCA because, let's see, corner cutting. We're gonna go just a little bit. You can do it a little bit further and with effort, and then like by 22.5 degrees, and then now it just decides now. So corner cutting is a topic we don't talk about it for this, okay? And yeah, but it is pretty smooth. It is really easy. It's really easy to the point where it's like too easy, if that makes sense. Like, it might not seem easy because of the times I get, but that's because it's like kind of awkward to move.